Welcome back! It's been a while since I had to remake the whole project by following my own tutorial because of some technical issues, but now I'm back and it should be no problem to keep following along. In this video we will make a game manager to handle game over when the player dies. Start by creating a new script called GameManager and attach it to a new game object with the same name. In the GameManager script we make it a static singleton just like with the other managers, so that we easily can access it from other scripts. Then we make a new private bool called GameRunning, and a public method to get the value. Add a serialized field game object to store the GameOver panel, and make a public method called GameOver. This will set game running to false and GameOver panel to active. Now add another serialized field to hold the restart button. And in the start function, we add a listener that calls a method called restartGame, which we will create next. The restartGame method will just reload the current scene using the scene manager to restart the game. Now in the Unity editor we need to create the actual UI for this, so make a new panel called GameOver panel and a button called Restart button. Assign the panel and the button to the matching fields in the Game Manager. Now set the GameOver panel to inactive by default, and in the player script, inside the die method, we call GameManager.instance.GameOver. Now if we test the game, when the player dies, we see the game over screen and can restart the game. It doesn't look so good right now, but we will polish this later. This was all for this video. Thank you for watching.